Hi, I'm Yanni from Fastspot, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of Denote, our web application for leaving notes on live websites. Denote is an application that bridges the gap between web-savvy designers, developers, and clients who may be less technologically confident. You can easily share feedback, manage projects, and save time. Let's start by installing Denote, which is very easy. Since Denote is built with cross-compatible internet technologies, no software installation is required. Simply click the sign up link at the top and enter in your account information. Once you hit submit, you will receive a welcome email from Denote, which has a link to get started. We'll pull this up and we'll log into our account. And now we're on the welcome screen. Now to complete the installation, we simply drag the Denote bookmark to our bookmarks menu bar. Enter the name of the bookmark, Denote is fine, and that's it, Denote is installed. Denote is a system based on clients, projects, and users. So the first thing we need to do is set up our client. Click the Clients tab at the top, click Add New Client, and for demonstration purposes we will use Apple. Click Submit, and there's your first client. Next, let's set up a project for our new client. Click the Projects tab at the top, and under Apple we will click Add New Project. Project name, we'll just put website and put their URL in. Click Create Project. Here we go. Lastly, we will need to set up our users. Click the Users tab at the top. Under Apple, we will click Add New User. Turn the name, email address, and make sure under Client you select the right one, which is Apple, and click Submit. As you can see, we're on the Edit User page. This allows us to enter in additional information such as phone number, title. Also, you can see the notification options here. This sends you an email notification whenever a note is posted, replied to, or marked as completed. You can deselect these if you like. I think it's great, and especially for project managers, they can really stay on top of a project when they receive these email notifications. Okay, we will click Submit. And there we go, we have our client, project, and user set up. One thing to note is that when you set up a new user, they will receive an email similar to the one you received when you signed up for Denote, which allows them to click and activate their account and choose a password. Okay, so let's start using Denote. I'm going to open a new tab, go to apple.com, and click on the Denote bookmark. And as you can see, the Denote menu bar pops up on the top of the website. You also notice the four main tabs are Your Notes, which shows active notes and completed notes, Add a Note, which is for leaving notes, Your Settings, and Switch Projects. Okay, so we're going to leave our first note. Go to Add a Note, click on the icon and drag it anywhere on the page. And this note I'm going to write, I have a new feature image that I'd like to use. And we can attach a file. Choose File, Denote Feature, choose Recipients. You can allow it to go to everyone or a specific person. So I'm just going to send it to John and click Submit. And there's our first note. Now you can see we have a couple options now. There's Reply, Assign, Mark as Complete, Mark as Flagged, or Delete Note. And we also have the ability to hide the note. So now I'm going to log out of my account and log into John's account, just to show you what he sees. Now it's very similar, but it shows that Yanni left a note, and now I can reply, sure, I'll take care of this today, and hit Submit. Okay, so if we go to Your Notes, under Active Notes we can see the note that was left, which is right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark this as complete. And now if I go back to your notes, active notes is gone and completed notes is there. I'm going to go ahead and leave another note now. Please remove iPhone 4 case program callout. And I'm going to assign this back to Yanni. And another thing to note is the 4 icons here at the top. These allow you to change the color of the notes, and generally green are for copy changes, red are for bugs, and the blue, teal is for graphic changes. So I'm going to leave it on the blue and click submit. Now I'm going to log back into my main account just so I could show the admin area. So I'm signed back in. I'm going to click Denote and go to manage your account. And you can see we have a dashboard which shows recent activity. And this shows the past 3 notes that we were just leaving. And we can actually click the view button to view a more detailed version of the note. As you can see, Denote is a powerful tool. If you would like to learn more about Denote or to sign up for a free trial account, please visit denoteapp.com.